My name is Marni, and it's my job to give you the no BS, honest truth about what women want versus what they say they want. I put up a new video every Monday, so make sure to subscribe to my channel because the information I share will give you the upper hand over all other men. In this video, I'm going to tell you 10 things about beautiful women that every man should know, and how to use this knowledge to create long-lasting attraction that makes the most beautiful women go weak in the knees. So keep watching. Beautiful women. They're pretty freaking amazing to look at, aren't they? I mean, even I look at them. The other day, I was in the car with one of my guy friends having a great conversation when suddenly to our left was a beautiful woman getting into her car. Tall, long legs, short shorts, cowboy boots, curvy hair, and sunglasses. Both of us instantly stopped talking, looked at her, and then continued on our way. It was insane that a beautiful woman would have that much magnetic power over both of us. It proved to me that everyone loves looking at beautiful women, but everyone doesn't understand beautiful women. For most, beautiful women are what they see in magazines or from a social distance. They don't get to interact with them on a personal level. Well, I do get to interact with them, and some may even say that I am one. So here are 10 things every man must know about quality, beautiful women that you need to know so they can start seeing beautiful women for what they really are. Number 1, beautiful women do not have superpowers. Yes, they may look great in tight spandex leggings, but contrary to popular belief, beautiful women do not have superpowers. The only power they have is the power that they're attractive, and that can only get a person so far. Number 2, beautiful women want to be approached. I am friends with a super hot actress in Hollywood whose name I can't say, but trust me, she's hot and you know her, and she told me that if she ever wants to be alone, she goes out in public. No one looks at her, no one talks to her, and no one approaches her. And the funny thing is, she would love to be approached. Most of my girlfriends say exactly the same thing. Their main complaint is that they never get approached, and if they do, it's by arrogant, stuck-up jerks. So next time you talk yourself out of approaching a beautiful woman, remember, she wants to be approached. You're not bothering her if you're a solid, amazing guy. Number 3, beautiful women have insecurities too. Oh my God, do they have insecurities? Yes, there have been areas in their life that may have been easier because of their looks. But when it comes down to it, beautiful women have the exact same insecurities running through their heads as the rest of the world. Am I good enough? Am I a loser? Am I fat? Does my skin look bad? Are people gonna hate me? My thighs are horrible. Will they like me? Will they like me for more than my looks? We have insecurities. Beautiful women are guarded and have baggage. Just like you, they've been hurt, bruised, and wounded from past relationships. I hear a lot of beautiful women say that sometimes people forget that they have feelings and that they're actually real people. One of my girlfriends, who's also a model, said this to me. Some men want to date me so that they look better and they don't really care about me. I've had this happen to me many times and it hurts. It hurts to be used for your looks. Interesting, right? Beautiful women want a good man. Do you know how often normal women get approached by huge douchebags? Well, multiply that by 50 because that's how many approach beautiful women. Why? Because most of the good guys are too afraid to approach. Beautiful women want to be with a good man, not a douchebag. A man that likes them for them and not just their looks. Number 6, beautiful women are not superficial. Well, some are, but some aren't. Trust me when I say you don't have to have Einstein's brains, George Clooney's looks, and Bill Gates' money to attract, date, and get beautiful women. You do have to have all those things if you want to date a superficial money grabber. Number 7, beautiful women aren't a bunch of stuck-up bees. At least not all of them. Just like other humans, you come across some good ones and you come across some bad ones. I know it's easier to think all beautiful women, or people for that matter, are stuck-up jerks, but they're not. Number 8, beautiful women have brains and want to have interesting conversations. In fact, some of my most intelligent friends are ridiculously beautiful women. Beautiful women can also have brains and personality to match their looks, just like all the 5s, 6s, and 7s in the world. Number 9, beautiful women don't want to be approached with some compliment about their looks. Beautiful women don't want to just be beautiful. Like all other women, they want to be heard, seen, and understood. If you really want to get a beautiful woman, compliment her on her rather than the way she looks. She already knows she's hot. Now tell her something she doesn't know. Number 10, there is no right thing to say to a beautiful woman. I have said this time and time again. There is no magic panty dropper line that every man can say that will make every woman instantly want them. line up 10 guys in front of me and they're gonna say exactly the same thing. I'm gonna feel differently about every single one of them. Some I'll love, some I'll hate, some are gonna creep me out. It's not about what you say, it's about the man who says it. Character, character, character. All right, here's number 11, and this is a bonus and the most important thing to know about beautiful women. Like all other women, these beautiful women are just people. Stop treating them like unicorns. So now that you know all these things about beautiful women, you're probably wondering what the hell you're supposed to do with this information and how this information can make you more attractive to these beautiful women. Trust me when I tell you there is a purpose behind why I share this information with you, and it's science-based. Ever heard of a scientific therapy called CBT? Cognitive behavioral therapy, in which you apply logic to feelings. Feelings that may be holding you back from getting what you want. So for example, if you fear spiders, you would dive into your feelings behind this fear and respond to them with logical information. This in turn would calm your fear of spiders and in a lot of cases, clear it up completely. I'm totally condensing a pretty intense form of therapy, but it's extremely effective in all areas of your life. Most likely, your spiders are beautiful women and women you are attracted to. In some way, you fear them because you simply don't know a lot about them. But now you do. The information that I shared in this video about beautiful women is information that can help you clear your own fears and insecurities with women so that you can stop sabotaging your success with them. But that is only half the battle. The other half is knowing what to do to create powerful attraction with the beautiful women you meet, aka how to flirt and create instant feelings of attraction and chemistry every woman wants. And that's what I'm here to help you with. I've put together a free 10-minute video for you where I reveal my blueprint for effortless flirting, attraction, and escalation, and it leaves no stone unturned in how to flirt in a way that makes women want to date and sleep with you, and will turn you literally into a flirting god without having to learn anything complicated or unethical. So go take a look at my free 10-minute video by clicking the link below in the description box or by going to winggirlmethod.com/flirt effortlessly. Not only will you discover what women secretly want, the kind of things that only a fellow woman could know, you'll also see exactly how to communicate with us in a way that builds the kind of sexual tension we fantasize about every day. To watch this free 10-minute video on how to quickly and easily ignite feelings of emotional connection in any woman you speak to, click the link below or go to winggirlmethod.com/flirt effortlessly, and I'll see you next week.